episode of the O2 Garage. We are back at Tailem Bend for more roll racing action because it is that good. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the O2 Garage. I hope you're enjoying all our videos, so please make sure you hit like and subscribe. And we are back at Tailem Bend. And the reason we're back at Tailem Bend, you can hear them going through, is we are back for the roll racing. Now, if you've never seen roll racing before, roll racing is pretty easy, pretty simple. Two cars accelerate to a point, and if they're together, the green light comes on, and then they've got a cannonball all the way to the finish line. And when they get to the finish line, well, the first one there wins. Simple as that. Ding dong. So while we got a little bit of a quiet time, I thought I'll bring you back into the reception area here at Tailem Bend. And if you've never seen Tailem Bend, it's absolutely sensational. The Bend racetrack is amazing. You've got all these amazing cars and bits and pieces. Upstairs you've got restaurants and so forth. This is check-in for the Regis Hotel, which is on the right hand side. But the cool thing about coming here is the incredible cars, and they always change it. It's like a show in itself. E-Type, Series 3, just a fantastic old Mercedes-Benz, VX Holden, V8 Supercar, A9X Brock style Tirana. Cool looking, looks like a supermoto car. Oh no, it actually looks like a stunt bike of some description potentially. Another V8 Supercar over here. The Team Vodafone car. A couple of Formula One cars over here as well. The Benetton and Ferrari by the look of it. Maybe Ferrari, not sure. A Benetton. A Dallara. But they always keep the best cars down here. Yep. That's an Enzo. McLaren Senna. Enzo Ferrari. Cool looking Aston Martin. And an SLS Mercedes-Benz at the end. Well, in typical O2 Garage roll racing style, you've got to have your predictions as to who's going to win. So, first and foremost, we'll start with Uncle Mark. What do you reckon, Uncle Mark?
Black Camaro.
Black Camaro. Ding Dong James.
Ding Dong, I reckon the white VL.
The white VL. Thomas.
John's GTR.
John's GTR. And me, I think I'm going to go for the supercharged hot rod. I reckon he's going to absolutely clean up. And these three will be losers. Losers. Alright guys, well one of the toughest cars here has to be this big Dodge Polara looking thing. I originally thought it was a big block, but it isn't. It's actually a small block. It's a 360 on nitrous, and you can see the little solenoids at the back there, but this thing absolutely goes hard. And if you want to get an idea of how hard it actually goes, this Camaro here is an LSA 4-speed, and this thing here was keeping up and beating it in the straight. So I'd be saying keep an eye on the big white whale. That might be a surprise package tonight. So this blue Audi actually won a little bit a while ago, but this guy here also won with a gold one. Mate, how good is that, John?
That's all right. Good street car.
You've got different rims on this thing now?
No, I just put these on because it's a bit lighter than the heavy 21s. I've got 21 by 13s on the back on the road. Yeah, it's so heavy.
Okay.
It's such a heavy car, just help it a little bit.
Outside of your car, what do you reckon is going to win tonight?
Oh, I couldn't pick. There's so many fast cars here. It comes down to traction and the jump off the light. They could go 10. There could be 10, 15 cars that could win it. It's different.
What are your chances?
Well, I'll be up there, but you know, it'd be a bit boring if I win again. So we're not going to probably go for that.
My brother, my son, and my next door neighbour have been on this video with me. We've all made our predictions, and my son Thomas is saying that you're going to win. So no pressure, dude. No pressure.
It's hard. I mean, it's won it before.
All right, guys. Well, eliminations are about to get underway. Practice is finished, so that all the cars are in the pit lane. So I'm going to do my usual walk and talk. Here we go. Let's see what we can come up with. Cool looking little BMW here. We've got a nice Holden supercharged on that side. Mustang sitting here. This has been a cool car. This is a little Statesman. It's actually got a supercharger on it as well. It's been making a bit of a noise, all right. Have a look at this. First of the rods. This is kind of the rod hangout just here. Big block supercharged, twin 40, 4 barrels. There's the one I've got my money on, that thing right there. And of course the show rod at the very back there. Big Merlin tunnel ramp. BMW M. With that beautiful carbon fibre weave that goes all the way around. Lovely looking thing. There's John's GDR there. Over 1,000 kilowatts in this billet GDR. So that's going to be a serious contender. Twin turbo, Audi R8. Barrow with the full fruit, as you can see right there. Cruising on through here. We've got another F6. That's Rooster's Camaro sitting right there. That's got an LS small block in it. Right behind that we've got the big Dodge Phoenix. Now this Phoenix is quite interesting. I talked to you a bit earlier on about it, thinking it was a big block. It's actually a 408 with nitrous, so we'll keep an eye on that one. Cool looking little Fiesta here. Awesome looking number plate on it. Have a look at that. 0 rear wheel horsepower. Of course, because it's front wheel drive. Recaros too, which is cool. Nice looking another F6 turbo. That's the GDX Hemi. Cannot believe the guy is flogging this thing to death. So it's Hemi, matching numbers, all the bits and pieces. Awesome looking car. Another BMW M, the green one on this side over here. A Senator right in front of us. This thing's actually turbocharged. Got a bit of fruit in it. This thing has been howling its guts out. Massive amount of power out of the barrel on that one as well. Cool looking HZ 355 stroker in that one. Really nice looking HQ here. Very similar to what my mum used to own, of all things. Really nice looking car. RX-7 Series 4 on that side over there. 5, I should say. 2J in the Toyota here. Good looking gear there. Silver Commodore. I think that one's supercharged. Another looking BMW with that lovely strut brace. Magnuson supercharged Holden right there. Audi Quattro, really cool looking Evo. This one's actually been pretty cool. This one's been going really hard. 4G63 under the bonnet, nice looking thing. Another Statesman sitting there. There's Spencer's V-bodied Commodore over there. He's been spraying with nitrous all night. This thing here has been absolutely howling. This is an IS 300 Lexus. Really super sticky tyres with the 2J sitting under the bonnet. So lots of fruit on that one there. Big block ESP. That's Shane Johncock right there. Say hello, Shane.
Oh, no see.
Cool looking GDR. This is a real cool looking rat style GDR. It's not the prettiest looking thing in that really cool purple. Interesting sticker on the window of that one. Turbocharged Barra right here, which is pretty cool. Got a Mercedes-Benz on that side. Got a black Holden, really nice tough Holden. Really quick little Subaru as well. Have a look at the Falcon. Nice looking Falcon. Supercharged Mustang sitting there behind the headlights. Right in front of us a C63, Mr. 6 litre. Nice looking Commodore right in front of us with a really cool looking XA coupe. Sorry, XA GT on that side. Another Magnuson blower on top of the LS3 in the Commodore. Followed up by another Commodore V8, a drift car with its lights on, and a Mustang at the end. So there you go. Really cool, impressive lineup here in the Bend tonight. It's going to be interesting to see who's going to take it out. It's really cold, as you can see. It's starting to get a bit chilly. The track is dry though, and they're about to start the eliminations. Let's get up the top and watch. All right, so we're about to get underway with eliminations here. Just a quick confirmation, boys, what you're choosing. Mark, what are you choosing?
The white VL.
The white V. The white you've changed. Changed.
I'm still going the VL.
Still going the VL.
GDR VL.
Hang on.
Oh, I'll go GDR.
You can't go two. You've got to choose one. GDR. All right. Well, I'm staying true to myself. I'm going with the supercharged hot rod for the win tonight. All right, just in case you don't remember for the eliminations, it's pretty simple. At that end, there's a red light. When the red light goes orange, the cars have got to approach. When it goes green, they've got to accelerate and go, and they've got to fire down the track, and they end up here, and that's the finish line. First car across the finish line wins. Let's have a look. All right, so the blue HQ took it on that, so that gives you a bit of an idea. Here we go. Oh, look at it coming on. Far out. That's good night VL, boys. How many of you are out? What are you in, Tom? What are you in? What do you want? GDR. The GDR, the black rod's still on. You two are out. Okay, we'll be fair. Quick last minute change, go. Go.
I'm too upset.
Tommy, that's yours, mate. He's through to the next round. Absolutely. Change your bet to the...
Well, I should have stuck with the black Camaro.
Black Camaro? All right, you're both on the Camaro, all right?
Should have stuck with it.
Tom, you're in trouble. Here we go, grand final. Straight in. Come on, commentators, watch. Come on, little hot rod. Come on, little hot rod. Here we go. Tommy, you won it, well done! Give him a hug, Uncle Mark. Woohoo! All right, so Hot Rod came second, GDR won, awesome cars. Car of the night, James, what do you think your car of the night was?
Oh, there was a VH Commodore, and I thought that was a very nice car.
Yeah?
And the other one was the Mazda Rotary.
All right.
Didn't end up racing, but that was a very nice.
Uncle Dork, what was your car of the night?
Blown Statesman.
Blown Statesman. Tommy, what was your car of the night?
Camaro,
All right, my car of the night was that white Dodge Phoenix with a 408 small block and nitrous oxide. Awesome. Roll racing, Adelaide, Tail and Bend. Come and have a look.